Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Today we will learn how to import Elementor template in our WordPress website. Here you can see it's our WordPress website homepage. Let's jump in dashboard. Here is our theme section. First we will install plugin. Hover on plugin and click on add new and search here import kit. I have installed this plugin for saving our time. You can install it and activate plugin. Just click on active. The plugin have activated. Here are some templates from Elementor Market. You can preview and purchase once as you need. I have template kit. Let's go in our website setting and then hover on tools and click on template kit. Here you can see the new window. Just click on and search where you save purchased kit from Elementor Marketplace. Select this one and open. As you can see, it's quick working and showing install requirements. There are 6 requirements that need installing for this template kit to work correctly. We will click on install requirements and new pop-up window show and says missing requirements. Those plugins are missing on our website. Let's click on install and wait to install complete. All required plugins have installed successfully. Close this pop-up and it automatically refresh, and as you can see, on every section you will hover, you can notice that it's new button showing here. You can click and watch and see all page like setting. We check this one page. Click on this icon and scroll down. As you can see, it's showing all page setting and how it's look like. We are going to close and let's try to import on new page. Hover on pages, click on add new. I'm going to create home page, edit with Elementor. Just click here 3 and burger icon just click here setting and publish this, status publish, and hide title on and update. Here you can see Envato elements icon here. Click on it and you can see we have import this kit. Click on it and we are looking for home page. Here you can see its home page, and how click on icon and check all setting and click here insert template. It's importing on home page. Let's wait. So guys, our template, homepage template have been done. You can check everything is working fine, as well colors, fonts, settings, or motion effects are working fine. It's a simple and easiest way to import kit you have purchased from Envato marketplace. Let's update it and check how it look like. It's only home page. We have not completed our header and footer section. As you can see, it's our footer section and here is our header section. We have not set it. So guys, that's a short video tutorial. I hope you will learn something new. Keep watching my channel and subscribe. Or any suggestion for me, just write in comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.